Some days are hot, some days are cold. Some days we're carrying a heavy load. Some days we're digging in, and the love may not show. But I want you to know that you can rely on me. Yes, you can. You can rely on me to understand you. You can rely on me for anything. You can rely on me. It's you who brought me back when I was lost. Everything I learned, you taught me how to wise up and pay a little more attention. You showed me how to listen, so listen. You can rely on me. Yes, you can.
Kakaroon kayo ng another collab team, who would you want it to be sa roster ng mga artista ngayon? You have to choose. Okay, sino din muna ang una sasagot?
Wait ako, wait lang, di pa ako ready.
Oh, ayan na. O,
Naiisip pa ako.
If it wasn't Nadine, then I'd probably rather be alone.
wow!
You can rely on me. Yes, you can. You can rely on me to understand you. You can rely on me for anything. You can rely on me.
If there's one headline na gusto nyo maging headline ng buhay nyo ngayon, ano yung headline na?
JD, flying high upon the wings.
That's exactly what is in my head.
That's because of the song. I keep hearing the song. Ano ba? JD, super successful. First ever teleserye on The Wings of Love.